Audio Jungle.
Kardo Nilimonjerong Pipi Pinibirta Arjuponitha. Finland lapen Sweden adet atum apan NATO parlopon popusi kapang dakpon. Longni adet atum apan non jakhongachiklo angbong malom NATO parlopon popusi pang dakpon tanglo. Labang so longni adet atum apan ke parlopon jike Finland adet lapen Sweden adet along atum apan si NATO parlopon popusi pherangke atu Finnish President apan Karjua hutsi alangli aning kachet he alam chethanpon. Lasila bang swalama puthak lapupo adet ang bong kachikroi det jiapan pusi United States atum sitami RD kipidon akenang sot pusi Finnish President ahinpen lamthi chepaklangpon. News Desk Report Karbi Anglong News. India Prime Minister Narendra Modi aphan KSA atsu asong atumpen wothat langso post office alongpen kidomati pinporalo kepajerdam. Nijang Karbi Anglong wothat langso along kedo post office along thangthangi phai kep arni Ramsing Tobi Karbi Students Association General Secretary Pramod Sagra Karbi Anglong District All Tiva Students mate atsu Union General Secretary alang litum chelang petpen wothat langso post office pen Prime Minister Narendra Modi aphan pinporalo sidami pipajerponlo. Bangso pinpura loke palinang koklaki kedamtang ahut sidami Karbi Anglong arat akimang Autonomous State Article 244A puthak RD kipipedet ajok wothat langso along Jameson Timung KSA President Ramsing Tokbi KSA General Secretary Dominic Sakra all Tiva Students alang litum ahin pen wothat langso along Post Office along Narendra Modi apan sidami pinpura lo pipajerponlo. Bangso pinpura loki pajerke Karbi Students Association mate KSA Tiva Students Union Committee mate atsu Karbi Nimsoching Thor Asong KNCA Joint Action Committee for Autonomous State Jakas Lapen Ongdong Asong atumben sitami bangso Article 244A akimanga puthak kido mate pinpura lo Prime Minister Narendra Modi aphan piponlo.
Mas Council along bosame Congress a party si nangcharilo. Nangcharilo alang itum si Autonomous State bangke pichunji po alang itum cecak lo same cecak lo alam cak bang cecak nak lo alang itum pichunji dah lo. Lathona sona taksi ako non BJP Bharatiya Janata Party atum bostame non central government BJP lo da state government BJP lo la penda Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council la BJP lo lasi alang litum kacecak piniar nianta ilitum Karbi Anglong West Karbi Anglong lapen Dimaso ilitum labangso Karbi Anglong ilitum Karbi pena khai kape katum dak dum inglong so khai dum do tribal khai dum do la so kemang bang piniar nianta pichun tekela la so pichun se rak je phana bang sin ilitum pinia bangke Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji phana bangke ilitum dak by post pen same kido bangke mata pinpor lo bangke lunang koklo lasuna raksi thang tarik sosial ni bosame dipulong bosame loik elo lasi pini bangke dak wothalang sodet kali hamren dongkamukam jirikindeng lapen hiruni bosame dak la bypus kido ana bangke niltum lopon lo lasi kewang jilangar ni bangke je alang letum BJP to commitment do article 244 mate autonomous state bangke nang implement pipu nang pachun pipu polam do laso posi kewang jilangar ni bangke nilitum dak Karbi Anglong song do anbe seme chelang rap pet pen ke bon kangkir besame haponang kokji lapen ahir tangrak besame chesong ponang kokji alang litum alam chak jek BJP a party yong si pilo central along wang lo plote te lapen state along yong si BJP party wang lo plote Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council long yong si council chari long lo plote Karbi Anglong arat akar ia hemprek bangke pichun pubusi alang litum kacecak laso posi pini niltum bangke ladak niltum boithalang so post office pen same niltum Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji phana bangke niltum pinpor lo mate kido bangke lunang koklo labang so kido lunang kok bangke niltum isi awareness sonlo je non lapu komotapur puno non frontier Nagaland puno halato phana bangke alang tum Indian Constitution mate Bharatiya সংবিধান lo same ketok dagawe same Karbi akhe do phana bangke da Karbi Anglong West Karbi Anglong Dimaso lapen da Karbi Anglong kedo Anglong akhe so tumhan labangso provision nanga bipi porbang piniani anda bangke napachun pipi lasini letum Karbi lo chali song same labangke sodak ben alang tu aphan chuning ri le thore tholo pinrem kiwang jilangar ni bangke niltum tak Karbi Anglong lo asong ko an tu chilang ra pet pe niltum labangso article 2 for autonomous state bangke pichun chiti bangke niltum intonope lapen labangso autonomous state kache songlo bangke niltum kangkir busame ke bon busame phaponang ko kothe ke bon busame phaponang ko kothe athima lake central government commitment state government commitment lapen Karbi Anglong abgp atum busame labangso hemprek bangke chichak pichun bobu lasi aphong ladak Amit Shah wanglo Rajnath Singh wanglo lapen dak India dead prime minister busame nang sunlo home minister da wanglo prime minister Narendra Modi ji da wanglo tame piniani ana bangke pachun dekhe ladak adui hoipen ke cenglok ladak Karbi Anglong homoisa ladak Karbi Anglong ara kemang piniani ta pachun dekhe laso posin nildum bangke puthot prime minister Narendra Modi ji phan nildum dak labangso kido mate labangso pinpor lo bangke dak bypass speed pulse same lonang koklo lasi kemang jilani bangke lalo labangso implement sirak ji phana bangsi nil tumake Karbi lo chalia song ladak all tibaisnan union te dak Karbi Anglong district committee do lasi lapen dak Karbi Anglong kapre organization dam simi chalara pepen bang kiwang chilangani ben bang ke mane ahiring tairak pen chesong simi chesong kunang kokpo lapen kebon ngangkir hu pesame ka siksa katura ko bola tage lake state government lapen central government lapen dak Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council tuliram ronghang kacharia sarkar domsi a responsibility chening adai chening lanchalo
Socheng constituency ke parlo thang khatwe along thongnok be kawe baida pu amai ke padupon Nijang Karbi Anglong Meghalaya border ke dai langhem phi Socheng constituency khang khatwe adim along thang phai khre hini arni kawe baida amai along thongnok be akai lamo hei hui sitami che than chimun ponno lapen ke PHL sia song atum sitami che tongdun kedam tang aningkan anki tim Karbi Anglong atum chotsi charap che tudun mate RDP dun chot sitami pining aningkan abangki APHL sia song sitami che tongdun pen RDP dun lo Lason silabang swamay along abangki kopi kenang ja sonamung an sitami APHL sia song atum pensi pador det lupusi pherang kya thengno nang pachini dun labang swamay along kachetong dun jai kathar bikrom hanse khorsing timu lapen rong arak pen pin pomar atum kapre ki theki ding atum sitami chetong dun si mai ing samjin pen pachun ponlu hamren pen borson tisu Karbi Anglong news.
Today we are gathering here at Khangkhatwi near Kanduli. We are celebrating this historical peace conference. This was held first during the time of Temen Borloi and Thong Nok Bay, maybe about 500-600 years before. The date we do not know, but it was in their time. This function has to be held or being held every year on February 5 previously. Now it is February 10. February 10 and 11 we are holding here in memory of that peace conference. In that peace conference, we undertook among Khasis and Karbis that in future we will remain as brothers and sisters in a peaceful atmosphere. We will not quarrel, we will not fight among ourselves. That was what we undertook on that day. And it was further stated that if anybody try to instigate a quarrel or a fight between the Khasis and the Karbis, then that man and his family will end ignominiously. Will end means by itself, by God, so to say, by God, the family will be perished, will perish. So this is an important occasion here we are holding. We believe that in future, all the Khasis, many of the Khasis, or all cannot be here, but Khasis and Karbis will meet together here and hold this kind of function we may also hold seminars and other kind of discussion here. It will be a very good thing. Thank you.